I had to skip the scuba diving because, you know what, the legs were just worn out from the lava field we walked this morning. But the captain invited me to the bridge. I got to film the bridge, and then he knew I wanted to see the machine room, so he called one of the mates and took me into the machine room. Got two 250 horsepower Caterpillar engines, two generators that run 24/7. Well, one of them's down for oil changing maintenance now. Fascinating. Can't wait to share it when I get freaking Wi-Fi. Oh, someday. Hopefully today. No, tomorrow. Manana. You know what manana means? Not today. But before the engine room and the bridge, I want to take you on a tour of the Daphne. There are 4 cabins downstairs and 4 upstairs. I recommend the upstairs as they are further from the mighty engine room. The food was delicious and beautifully presented. The chef must have a very large cookbook as all 3 meals every day were different. Oh, and the dessert after dinner was something we look forward to each night. There is a full bar for purchasing your favorite adult beverages. Coming up first, we will drop the anchor. Then we'll watch the raising of one of the 2 dinghies, see the Daphne taking a leak in the Pacific Ocean, and clothes drying on the sundeck. Then onto the bridge and engine room. Warning, the engine room is very, very noisy. I wrap this up with some sailing words to the wise. Okay, let's go. Anchors away! During transit, during navigation, they raise the boats out of the water rather than drag them behind. Well, they just beat them to death, drag them behind us. Just guessing here, that's the water cooling the engine or the generators that are running right now to keep the air conditioning going. And right over there, water coming out that's condensate from the air conditioning system. We're not even sailing, we're anchored. This is just the natural wind that blow your hair off. I'm glad I didn't have any hair to blow off. Carlos, el Capitan, invited me to the bridge.
Hola.
Hola. Okay. Hola.
Hola. Saludos, amigos.
Saludos, amigos.
De San Antonio, Texas.
San Antonio, Texas, en el mundo. Todo el mundo.
Todo el mundo, sí.
There's a weather map.
Aquí tenemos el radar.
Radar?
Radar.
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 Sí, radar.
Radar. Well, this is pretty cool up here. This thing, they don't put it on autopilot. It's
Compass.
24/7 compass. Angle of the wind. Oh, this is cool. Nice seat. Nice soft seat. Ah! Dormir.
My bed. Mi cama.
La cama. Mi cama. Okay, look at the air conditioning. This is quite a setup. Ah, the camaras.
Sí.
Seguridad.
Security.
The Diary of Navigation. Daphne. ¿Qué es
Plotter. GPS plotter.
Plotter.
Ajá.
Okay, the plotter. Plot the course. This is cool. Muchas gracias, amigo.
De nada, amigo.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
This is the stairs down to the engine hall. That's the generator running. diario.
Diario, sí. Launching, generator y generator. Agua, agua.
That's the water tank?
Sí.
Oh, that's the one. We're good. Good. Good one. Here we go.
This is what it sounds like in the dining room, and the engines are at full power. I just found out that our overnight trip is going to take. It's not ghosts, it's the movement of the ship under full throttle. Free sailing tip from Rick. When the boat's rocking back and forth, going up and down and sideways and everywhere, and you just can't just seem to stand up, it's best not to take a step unless you have a handhold on something. And where you have to move between the handholds, it's best to walk like a toddler with a full diaper and just waddle back and forth. It's the best way. They do it. It works for them. It'll work for you too. That's all. Hasta luego.